Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my lovely client Emma, and she's come in today for a fresh set. So she removed her set at home using acetone herself. Her nails really curve, especially her thumbs, like they will literally curve straight under. So her last fill that I did, I was like, let's do a fresh set next time. I think she said that the last fresh set that she had was the beginning of November, so that's good for a nail curver. Merlin is still at it. I've got to do 3 voiceovers and he's absolutely on one, so I can only apologise. He calms down now and then. So I'm using Cherry Blossom here to create a smile line, because this is going to be a glittery smile line sort of thing. So yeah, I'm using Cherry Blossom. I'm not really a fan of Cherry Blossom, if I'm being totally honest with you. I think it marbles and it shows a lot of shadowing no matter what I do. But I wanted to use it today. I just wanted to use it. And then I remembered why I didn't like it. I love all JP thing, don't get me wrong. I do love the colour of this, but I'm only giving you my honest opinion. So yeah, once I'm happy with that, I'll cap this smile line in crystal glass. So the middle finger is just going to be a plain baby boomer. So I'm using my fave coconut milk. Now Alan's on one. Now he's sellotaping stuff up. What is wrong with everyone today? And I don't feel well. Anyway, so I'm using coconut milk for my white. It's the best white ever. So easy to work with. So I'm going to place that more than halfway down the nail and just blend back where that harsh line would be. You don't want no harsh lines, otherwise you will get shadowing and lines. God, especially with Cherry Blossom. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just the way I use it. I don't know. Maybe you meant to shake it. Oh my god, that could be it, couldn't it? Maybe I meant to shake it, give it a good shake. And then I'm going to place Cherry Blossom at the cuticle area, pat it out to the sides and blend the excess down. I was quite happy with this boomer actually. It looked quite nice in the end. I'll come in with another bead because I'm never happy with my just one, and then again I'll cap this now in crystal glass. So the pointer finger is going to be a marble using just those 2 colours, coconut milk and Cherry Blossom. I'm going to do another stripy marble again. Loving these kind of marbles. I prefer them much more than I do your swirly marbles. So I'm just going to blend these colours together, keep adding as I'm going, and then do I add some glitter? Yeah, I add some glitter at the end, but I'll just let you watch this part. So the thumb is going to be a glitter fade, so I'm going to go in with Cherry Blossom at the cuticle area and blend that down just to cover the colour of her natural nail, really. I'll come in with a few beads. This is a real wide nail. She calls it her toe. She says it's like a toe. she says her thumb is like a toe. But anyway, and then we're going to come in with some glitter on the baby finger. So the glitter that I'm using today is actually has no name. Liz Guild decided to buy a few glitters and then said, actually, this is not for me. So she does have a few for sale. She brought some and then she made a mix herself. And I have a feeling this is the mix she made herself. It had so many weird shapes in it. I was like, oh my God. I really liked it, actually. Did you see like the little thin strip? It's literally the thinnest strip of shiny glitter. Like a line, like a hairline. Loved it, mate. So yeah, I'm just going to cover that over all her baby finger. So if you do fancy getting this glitter, give Liz a message. She may still have some. It was only just a one-off, so when it's out of stock, it's gone. So yeah, a full nail of that on the baby finger. And then I'm going to add a little bit on the marble now. So I'm just going to do like 3 little one here, little one here, and a little one here. And then I'm just going to pat them out to make them a little bit more thinner and prettier. And then I'm going to add some glitter to the thumb. So we're going to get a small bead of acrylic, dip it into that raw glitter, and then we're going to put it on the tip and we're going to mix it all together like that. So it's all gone into the clear acrylic, and then we're going to blend it back down the nail. So then I'm going to come in with my hand file and I'm just going to perfect the smile line. I wasn't 100% happy with my smile lines yesterday, sorry. I don't know why. You know when you have a little bit of an off day. It wasn't an off day, but I felt like I could have done them better. But anyway, I'm going to make that nice and crisp, and then I'm going to come in with the same glitter and I'm just going to nudge it all down the sides, and we're just going to do a little glitter tip here. And then I'm going to cap all the nails in crystal glass. I don't show you all of them because I've done like the middle finger already, but I'm just going to show you on this one. So a nice big bead, place it at the cuticle area, pat out the sides, and then we're going to walk the rest of the clear down the nail and then take off any excess at the tip. That is literally how I do my capping. Sorry about that, mega fast. So now I thought I'd show you me top coating the other hand because it was slightly different. Well, similar, same sort of thing, but just different nails. So I'm going to apply CJP Tack Free Top Gloss, nice thin layer of that over all her nails. She'll cure in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I'll apply some cuticle oil. I think she chose strawberry daiquiri. And then that is a set complete. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I do leave a little clip at the end for you to see the final result. I absolutely love them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.